Hello and welcome to Art with Miss Zoe. With me, your host, Miss Zoe. Today we're going to learn about the artistic element of shape. We are going to use geometric shapes to create a fun painting. Shape is a two-dimensional geometric figure such as a square or a circle. Today I'm going to talk about a few types of shapes. The first is geometric, then there's organic, then there's a combination of the two. Geometric shapes refer to a shape such as a square, a triangle, or a hexagon. You can tell a shape is geometric by the straight lines. An organic shape is going to be a rounded or curvy shape, such as a circle or other curved shapes. Finally, we have our combination shapes, which have straight and curved lines, like the examples here. Now that we know a little bit more about shape, let's check out today's art activity. For today's art activity, you will need canvas, paint, paintbrushes, scissors, tape, a ruler, and a paint pen. Once you have everything together, let's get started. I've gathered all my materials, and I'm going to start off by taping off my canvas. So I'm just going to use this masking tape to create my geometric pattern. And I don't have any real plan for this. I'm just going to improvise and see what happens. Okay, so I'm happy with that, and I'm going to start painting. I've chosen 3 colors to keep things simple. I'm going to go ahead and paint over everything a second time just to make sure that my coat is nice and even. Now I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to come back in a few minutes to add my details. Okay, so this is dry now, and now I'm going to use my paint pen to add some nice gold details. I'm going to use my ruler to create nice straight lines. You don't have to do straight lines, you could do whatever you wanted. You also can skip this step if you don't want to add anything else. Okay, I'm happy with that, and I'll touch up anywhere I feel like it needs to be touched up, and then I am going to remove my tape. And there we have it. This is the painting. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching and keep making.